Hi guys, Lena here from Crafty Shenanigans, working on a video. My little Ripley's asleep. So, I colored this the other day. I showed y'all that. Look, I got black all over my hand. Great. And I'm mixing up a nice pretty, just let's resin. And hopefully I did enough. If I didn't, well, I'll have to mix up some more. So I'm gonna do this one first and then I'll do the birds. So, but I'm waiting on the timer to go off. And this will be Monday's video. Where did my wipes go? I need my baby wipes. I'm always misplacing them. I don't know how I do that, but I do. I'm real good at it. I just had them just a little bit ago. Yeah, Ripley and I played Sonic until he went to sleep. All right. I really did have wipes. I did, and I know they're here somewhere, and I'm probably looking right at them. You know, don't you just love it when you do that? You put something down and you know you just had it. Now where did you put it? This is not good. Oh, see, I told you. There they are. So, I'm gonna get me a wipe out or two in case I need it. Wipe this off my hand. I left the TV on in the back bedroom. We were watching Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. So, we'll see. My timer should be going off here any minute. That's a pretty, I really like this eye candy. And this is a liquid black candy. So, eye candy, and it's called Black. It's just, it just really works. I'm still mixing, guys. So how are y'all doing? I'm gonna go get a haircut tomorrow, which I'm glad. I need it. Trying to get all the black off the stick. Oh. Alexa, turn off. Okay. Everything just went. So I'm gonna wipe this off again. Lay that right there, and we are going to pour this. Now I'm filling this whole thing in, is the plan. Because I did a background. Slowly we're going. That looks pretty good. Is it even? All right, let's do this bird. And this one. Well, I guess I did mix up enough. Okay. Just a little. Ooh, don't pour it out too fast. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to use one of my little sticks. Looks pretty good. Let's see right here. I've got one of these little micro sticks and see if we can get this to work up into here. There we go. That looks good. How about that one? Looks good. I like it. That one looks good. I just had trouble getting it into that. Oh, and yeah, I did run it over. I hate it when that happens. And this is supposed to be even. I mean, I had that thing in the center where it was supposed to be. Oh no, don't do that. I can't do anything without making a dadgum mess. So what I'm thinking is this mold is lopsided. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna do that because I mean, I had this centered perfectly. Even double checked it with another scale. So, grab another one of these. All right, so that's good. As long as it doesn't run anymore. Let's see, I should have a spoon. I haven't done this mold before, so I just colored the whole thing. Oh, don't you fall. Okay. Now we are going to go like this. And scoop some of this out. Yep. And make a mess. This was even. At least I thought it was. Okay. This one here might need just a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Now, I still have some left over. And I see the bubbles coming up. I want to be able to spray it or oh, I just love making a mess. I really do. But it wouldn't be a video with me if I didn't make a mess. You know? See, and it's gonna do it again, it's going to. So it's not me, it's not the thing, it's this thing. And I have had some molds do this before, where it's the mold, you know? But I've got it on this plastic thing, so it should come off really easy. And let's see. Let's just see if I make sure I get it all down in there. Can't wait to see what this looks like. And I'm pretty sure I'll pop out some pieces. My cats are playing over there in my chair. I'll get it. Some out of this. Well, that was a weird noise outside. People behind, not behind me, cat a corner from me. Every weekend they're having parties after parties after parties, and I'm like, really? And tonight, boy, I went out there, and the Mary Jane was really strong. And I mean, they cat a corner from me, behind me. All right, that looks a lot better. A lot better. Grab me another white. Clean this up a little bit. And we're gonna let this sit. All right, these aren't leaking, so that's good. And let's move them up. I've got a couple more over here. I've got this sunflower. Let's do this sunflower over here that I did. And let's see if I can get this a little bit more room here. Here's the sunflower. Shh! Stop! You wake up that baby, I'm gonna be very mad. Okay? It's hard to make a video with him because he doesn't understand being quiet. You know, he don't understand. He did see one of my videos today, and he's like, Yaya, that's you. I'm like, yes, that's me. So, all right, we're gonna pour this one. We'll let that settle. See how this works. There we go. I think they're doing fireworks. That would be why my dogs came running in here. They're like, Mama, I don't like that. Funny how dogs don't like it. These all filled up. So, I've been thinking about doing a GoFundMe. I would really like your opinion on that. I also have a friend who is a real estate agent. And I'm going to talk to them tomorrow and see what they advise me to do. You know, my sister is a horsewoman. She loves horses. All her life she's loved horses. And a few years ago, she was walking a mare and her little filly, and they got too close to another horse, and the mama decided to go berserk, and my sister got stomped in the head. All right, so she's had several concussions before. You know, she's had horses fall on her. It's just part of it, you know. Well, she doesn't have Alzheimer's, but she has some dementia. And there's just things that she just can't do anymore, you know. She can't. Like if you ask her, I asked her one day, I said, what do you have trouble with? And she kept telling me, you see that calendar? You see that calendar? And I said, no, Mary, I see a clock. She says, yeah, that's it. Little things. And she can't, you know, like count money. So, you know, she always has to have somebody with her. Little things like that. But she doesn't want to sell the house either. And she doesn't want the house to be, me to be kicked out of it. She wants me to stay in the house. It's all my brother. And my brother is afraid that something is going to happen here. And with his name on the house, he is, he's going to get sued and lose everything he got. All right, so I get it. I get it. I do. But this is my home, and I feel safe here. For the first time in a long time, I am safe. And he doesn't get that. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. I am. And my sister went ahead, because she got served, and she's already put in her answer saying that she does not want to sell the house, that this is my home and she wants me to stay here. So now I have to put in an answer declaring this my home and put in an answer. All right, so, but I can't do nothing until Wednesday because, you know, now the judge could still rule in my brother's favor and give us time to, and have us sell the house. If that happens, I'm going to ask for 6 months. I'm also going to ask the judge if I can sell the house. Okay? I don't want somebody else coming in here and selling the house. Because we're all going to lose that way. They're going to come in here and they're going to sell. And I need to have time to have some yard sales. I need to talk to some antique dealers, because a lot of the things that we have in this house was from the Depression. I mean, my mama didn't throw away nothing. And we've got photos that we need to go through and things that meant stuff to mama. And they mean things to me, like the kitchen table and chairs. Mom and Dad have had these tables and chairs since I was born. Okay? Cat fight. And I've always wanted them. The bedroom set that it's a full-size bed. I've always wanted that. It had a cedar chest with it, a dresser, and a chest of drawers. Chewy, stop. I've always wanted that. Those are the only things I really wanted out of the house. Mama's got some dishes that she has that have these little leaves on them, and their bowls and a plate. She's got 3 set. Has a little teapot that looks like a genie bottle. And I don't know how much those are worth, but they've got to be worth quite a bit. Chewy, stop. Now. And so I'm like, well, wait, this, you know, so I need to make sure that these things either go to family members that want to keep them, or I need to sell it. Now, my family has taken everything they wanted. So this stuff I consider mine, and I can do with whatever I want to, because they didn't take it. All right. My next question is, where am I going to go? Well, I do all these crafts, and I love going to craft shows, and I like selling them, and that kind of thing. So why don't I downsize a lot and get me an RV to live in? I could find me some land that has electric and water. I could put a really nice storage shed on it, a big one, turn it into a living quarters, because I only need a 1-bedroom. You know, it's just me. Unless I end up keeping Ripley for a while because of everything that's going on with him. So there's a lot of decisions that I don't know, and I get depressed at times, and I said some things I shouldn't have said probably the other night, but I am just so tired of my life being upside down. It's like I'm waiting on the next shoe to fall. You know, I'm just waiting. Now, my sister, Chewy, and her husband could buy Felix out and let me stay in the house and let me keep living the way I am. But they don't want to do that. They want me to do it. Now, I know I'm gorgeous and everything and good looking but I ain't got that kind of money. You know, I don't have that kind of money. I don't have it. I don't have it. And I live month to month. Yeah, I do. Just like most people do. I pay my taxes in payments. You know, I pay my insurance in payments. I pay my car payment, and you know, that's what I do. So I just don't know what to do. So if y'all have some ideas that you could shoot my way, that would be a blessing. I still have these I have to do, but I'll do those tomorrow. Chewy, Dakota, it's okay. It's just people outside having a party and firing off fireworks. That's exactly what I was thinking they were doing. My dogs don't like fireworks. They have never liked fireworks. And I consider y'all my family. I consider y'all friends, my family. You're helping me build my business. You know, I'm 500 away from being monetized, and then people can start. I'm hoping I can start doing, you know, shows and stuff like that where I show people new products. I'm hoping people will allow me to do that for them, like companies and stuff like they're doing for Marva and all that kind of stuff. But I won't know until it happens, you know. And I love making these videos, and I love doing the crafts, and I love playing. And I really love making messes. So, I'm looking to see. I really hate using this. I hate using it because I'm always scared I'm going to burn my mold. I did that once. I burned it. So, and I'm not sleeping good because all I can think about is me, myself, and I. And now I'm thinking about Ripley because I don't want him to, I don't want him to have problems. He's so smart. He told me today that someday he's going to go on a spaceship and he's going to go to the moon. And he wants me to go with him. And I was laughing. I said, but I'd be scared. He says, Yaya, I'd hold your hand and you could close your eyes and everything will be okay. He's so sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with this. So we'll see how these come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that share button and like button and help me finish getting my channel up there, and I know everything is going to be just fine. It's going to work out no matter what. If I end up in an RV, I ended up in an RV. I'll make sure it's a nice big one because I got 4 dogs and 3 cats and 2 turtles that someday will be big enough you can ride. You know. And, you know, let's see, is my video, okay, my video is working, it's going through the process, and we'll see how that comes up. Got some more trash here to throw away, but hit that like button, have a safe weekend. I hope you're having a safe weekend. This video will come out on Monday, and I'll try to do the other pieces tomorrow once this gets a little firmer and I can move it to my drying area that I have set up. And I see another bubble. Yep. All right, we're good. I'm not going to do any more. All right, y'all have a blessed evening. And
the next
see you
day.
Tomorrow. Hi everybody, Lena here from Crafty Shenanigans. This is the rest of the video. Well, not the rest. I still have to demold it, but these are the other 4 pieces I haven't done yet. And I put them off till this morning. I'm still mixing some black up here for it. So, did you watch Marv over at Marvelly Artsy doing her first tumbler last night? She did a pretty good job. We're going to talk later, and I'm going to give her some pointers and little secrets, so that'll be fun. But she did a really good job. Oh, I'm just stirring this up. Looks pretty good to me. All right, we're gonna pour this and get this started. Can y'all see okay? I don't think you can see all of them. Here, let's turn them a little different. Can you see them better that way? Let's see. Okay, that looks better. All right, just that's all I'm gonna do for right now, and let it settle. Yeah, I'm gonna work on videos today. I woke up to it raining this morning, which was wonderful because we needed it. Which means I will not get my backyard done today because everything's too wet. So, and I've made a friend in Australia, and we've been talking and I just spilled it. That's not good. I hate it when I make a mess. But, you know, it wouldn't be a crafty shenanigan video if I didn't make a mess. Oh, come on. All right. Let that one settle for a minute. And come back over to this one a little bit. Not much. Okay, there's that. Oh, looks pretty good. Okay, here. That looks good. Take my little knife here I was using earlier and pop some of them bubbles. Oh, my cup's dripping. Like, what was that? But yeah, everything's good. We all slept pretty good last night. My grandson was super, super tired. And so were the animals. Still, it was probably 2 o'clock this morning before I went to sleep because my mind is just running. And, you know, it just, how do I say, all these scenarios keep working out in my head, how this could end. So, and I don't mind if, you know, if I have spots here I wasn't supposed to fill in. What I've been doing is I've been saving it, all those little pieces and everything that comes out, and I'm going to do a craft with them. Kind of something mosaic maybe, because they're different little shapes, and I just thought, well, you know, that'd be cute to do some kind of mosaic pattern with it. I'm trying to make sure I get all these little bubbles popped. That looks pretty good, except for I made one little bitty mess. You know, just one little bitty mess. I still have just a tiny bit of black left. And what could I pour it in? I know I have a little. No, not that. Oh, wait a minute. How about this gears? We could do that. So, little gears. You know what? I think I'm going to use a spoon. A spoon, and I just had them. Come on. Let's try these little gear things that I got. That doesn't look like a gear. You know what that reminds me of? If you're a woman, you'll know. Oh, nope, 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 don't go that way. But I got these from Temu too. And I love you too, Ripley. Pretty cool. Playing with the gears here. I got several modes. I think there's like 4 modes in this little gear package from Temu. And Marv and I, we think so much alike. Every time she does an unveiling, I'm like, I just ordered those molds. The candlestick holders that she was talking about last night, I just ordered those molds. Girl, we are just 2 peas in a pod. We could have been sisters. You know, from different mothers. And she's from Oklahoma. We could be related. My grandmother was born on the reservation. See this one with the gears? So, yeah, she was born on the reservation there. So, we're going to have to talk. When we talk later, and we'll see. We could be related and don't even know it. So, that would be awesome, wouldn't it? Find a long-lost cousin. I don't know what your maiden name or your family history name is, but mine was Hobbs and Hawkins and Gresham. So this one's a little thinner than the other mold I just did. So I mean, it's so thin, it's just, you could just rake it. See? And fill it up. I guess I'll have to start me another jar with gears in it that I make. Pretty cool, huh? Let's see, what's the other? There's 2 more. I might have enough to do this one, which is a coaster, I think. And nothing but gears. Come on, move, move, move. Come on. Let's try this one. They're real, how do I say, rubbery? You know, they're just, all right, let's try this. Let's just pour this whole thing in here and see what happens. Maybe. Well, maybe I didn't have enough to do this one. That's okay. We'll do some. ordered some spatulas from Temu for 9 cents. And little rubber spatulas. They're little ones. They're not very big. So we'll see what it comes out to be and see how they work. And see how they work out. I'll probably move a lot of this to my drying station in the hall that I made. The other ones were pretty much dry. They just need to be demold later. Still a little bendy, so. But I'm dying to play with my new glitters and stuff, and so. Any more that, this one looks like it's gonna go over. He's over there, he's over, turn your video down. He's watching kids YouTube. Thank you. So, he's so funny. See any more that I can get off? I knew I'd make it work. Halloween stuff. We're still recording, that's good. That looks good. I think I'm done with this mess. You think I'm done with it? I don't know. Okay. I think I'm done with it now. Let's just make sure everything's filled in here. I just want to make sure everything gets all the little holes covered and the bubbles popped and okay, that'll work. All right, put that together and go clean those off so I can reuse them. They look good. I have a squirt bottle here. I see something I missed. Great. All right, let's get just a little bit of color put in that one. Okay, let's see. Okay. Just didn't look like it was full enough. All right. I've got one more, but we'll do it another time. See what I did there. Seeing them all right, got them all done. And let these sit for a few minutes, and then I'll get them moved. Is it a bubble or? Nope, it's not a bubble. Very fine mist. Okay. And there we go. Looks good. All right, well, I'm going to end this video right now, and I'll be back for the demolding of all these pretty little things. Oh, why does it do that? I mean, this mold is so sticky. I mean, it's really sticky. I'm not sure why. It's almost like one that I made, you know, with that new resin mold stuff, because they're sticky and rubbery like that when you make them. All right, I'm gonna turn this video off, and I'm gonna start another video. See you later. Bye. Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? I've got the crescent moons here, and we're gonna see how these came out. All right, here's the one piece. I'm gonna go ahead and demold this one. Okay. Okay, come on. You can come on out of there. Hang on, I'm having a... There we go. Listen. That's such a cool sound. Right, there's one. We're not going to turn it over yet. Just... There's another one. I think I'm gonna wash molds today. I got a few I need to wash. And I'm gonna shampoo carpets. And just stay busy. How about y'all? Thought about taking my grandson to the lake, but I just think that might be a nightmare, even though he would have a blast. Now, I could just take him to the creek, and we could just go waddle in the creek and chase frogs and minnows and things like that, because he really loves doing that. I don't want to show it to you until I'm done. Hang on. Hey, we don't want to show you. Got to demold. And I got a couple of little nets, and we catch minnows. And he has a blast. I have one of those sinking nets that you can cast out. And I throw it and he pulls it in. It's fun. Here's another piece. Those are the pieces I was telling you about that I like to save, because I might do something with them someday. I know that sounds weird, but yeah, see, and they make nice little shapes. Some of these don't want to come out though. That's okay. Two more. And dogs are playing. You should see my big dog try to play with this puppy. And it's hilarious. All right, and take that. See, there's some more. I'll get them out, but I'll have to do it right now. They're just really easy to take off. Some of them are anyway. That one came right out, see? All right, and this one. Oh, it does make a neat sound, doesn't it? All right, that one all came. All right, are we ready? are we ready? I'm gonna put this right here, and we'll take my little bag that I have here that I put all these pieces in. That piece. All right, we'll put it right there in case I get some more. All right, so here's this one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is pretty. And they match. Really good. I like the colors I used. Now, I used my regular micas. I didn't use anything fancy because I didn't have them yet. So, those came out really pretty. All right, let's do these. And flip. I really hope I'm recording. Hey guys, Lena back. I'm back here, and I'm sitting here recording, thinking I'm recording, and I'm not recording. And I've demolded all this already, so everything's demolded. So let's look at it. All right, here we go. Look at those. Isn't that pretty? Oh wow! I just have to clean them up. And I love the colors I used. And I did use regular mica powders. These come right out. I put them in here. I'll pop those out here in a little bit. Here's the, kind of reminded me of a blue bonnet. But, you know, I'm from Texas, so what do y'all think? Aren't those pretty too? There's 2 of those. All right. And I think this might have been a rose. But that one came out pretty too. All right, I need to pop those out. And the part that goes around them, and this is this one. Yep, gorgeous. And I'll just sit here and pop all these out here in a little bit. So, yeah, they're not quite dry yet, so I'll just take my X-Acto knife and just clean them out. And what I do is I take these and I pop them out. This one's going to come out. And it's these little shapes like this that I like to keep. So I'm going to put them in there. And so, but that's it. It's just, these came out really, really cute. So we got the sun, and we've got roses, and oops, and we have, I'm gonna say blue bonnets, and daisies. But you know, you can either put it around them, or we can hang them. What I don't understand why is this one is so small compared to the other ones, but it's a set. You know, so I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. You know I am. All right, well that ends this video. Y'all hit that like button. Y'all be careful, and we'll talk soon, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye.